Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on Windows. First, open the Microsoft Store, which is easily found on your taskbar or Start menu. Once there, type Roblox into the search bar at the top right. You'll see the official Roblox application. Click the Get or Install button. The download is typically around 200 megabytes, so it should be quick. After it finishes, you can launch Roblox directly from your Start menu or a new desktop shortcut. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once Roblox is open, you'll have two options: sign up or log in. If you're new, choose sign up. You'll need to provide your birth date, create a unique username, and set a strong password. Remember, your username should be something you like, as it's how others will identify you. Make sure to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. If you already have an account, simply click Log In and enter your existing username and password to access your profile and games. After logging in, you'll land on the Roblox home screen. This is your hub for discovering millions of games. You'll see popular experiences, personalized recommendations, and a list of games you've recently played. To find something specific, use the search bar at the top. You can search by game title, genre, or even creator. When you find a game that looks interesting, click its icon, then hit the large play button to jump right in. There are countless worlds to explore. To ensure the best experience, you can adjust your in-game graphics settings. If you're experiencing lag, try lowering them. If your computer is powerful, you can increase them for better visuals. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay, especially in multiplayer experiences. For enhanced control, many players find a dedicated gaming mouse or keyboard beneficial. And if you ever feel inspired, remember Roblox Studio is available for you to design and build your very own virtual worlds and games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.